My name is Mark Cotter. I'm the founder and CEO of bit.bio. We're just at that critical time in biology where we've identified a huge bottleneck which really consists in having access to a robust and scalable source of human cells. And at bit.bio we combine data science and biology to make cells that nobody else can make. And the starting point for this is a platform technology that we call OptioX, which essentially allows us to execute genetic code in cells very robustly. In order to be able to recreate every human cell, you need to create a model or an understanding of this operating system, which is our collaboration with LIMS. And once you've got that, you can also create a predictive model of a cell. What we're seeing at the moment is that biology is moving towards engineering. Of course, when we look back and see how physics transitioned from something that's based on observation to something that really became engineering and helped us to create from steam engines to spaceships, we feel that biology will be also able to change the world once this transition is made. If you think about it, when Newton introduced calculus to physics, he gave us a tool to look into the future. And in biology, we're still at a point where we do experiments to generate data. And we have very limited ways of predicting the outcome of an experiment. If we had a better understanding of the control mechanisms of biology, I would say the software that runs in a human cell, then we would be able to also pivot biology into that new paradigm. One important aspect are, of course, the people at LIMS. They are really stellar mathematicians and physicists that have thought a lot about these questions. What we also like about LIMS is they're extremely agile and fast. That allows us to move fast and tackle problems fast, and of course that's what a startup is all about. I think having all these cells available for research and drug discovery will be a revolution because we can provide them to the scientists that work relentlessly to find new cures and treatments, and I hope it's going to make drug discovery much faster and more efficient. The moonshot goal of bit.bio is to recreate every human cell in the body and then to provide them for research and drug discovery purposes. But at the same time, there'll be cell types that are going to be very valuable for therapeutic application in the form of cell therapies and perhaps even in the future, tissues or organs.